Good morning peeps and welcome back to my channel. This is Amanda, Miss Lamazon. Lads, do you want to have a look at my little Chanel and what I have in it? If you do, and on to your hats. Right lads, it's time to show you my newest baby. It is my little Chanel WOC. Now, before anybody says anything in the comments below, and you're more than welcome to comment on my little Chanel, this is not a real Chanel, and I wish it was, but unfortunately my budget doesn't stretch to the 3,000 whatever that Chanel would charge for this little bag. So I spotted this in, you ready for this fellas and girls, in the charity shop, in the window, draped over a mannequin. And I went, oh my God, that looks like a WOC. So I went in and I examined it and I purchased it for, was it €4? It's either €4 or €5. I bought 5 yo-yos. 5 yo-yos. 5 yo-yos. So I brought it home and I'm now using it. Right, the chain is quite heavy on it. And very heavy. I was surprised at how heavy the chain is on this thing. It has a turn lock key on it and the 2cc's, and lads, up close smelling this, it is actually leather. It's it doesn't feel as pillowy soft as the lambskin leather. I think this could be bloody caviar. I'm not sure, but it's definitely leather. Right, it has a little pocket at the back. There's nothing in it. Okay, you turn the turn lock key to open her up. Now, she has not got any, as you can see, the chain is pretty much the same way as it is on an average WOC, right? You have the pocket up here and it goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. Very handy, guys. And when you look inside her, now if it had a little Chanel thing over here, I'd say that this was a bloody super fake, to be honest with you. If it had the Chanel here, I would say this is a super fake, because it is truly God, I know my leather. It is leather. There's some wear and tear on it, but sure, who cares about that? Right, I'm going to show you what I have in it. There are 6 pockets for cards. I'm using up 4. One has my debit card, one has my Revolut card, and I have my social security card and driver's license. Right? I also have a lip product in here. It doesn't hold a whole lot of shit. It's by L'Oreal. It's 101. It's one of their extraordinary lip glosses. They're not made anymore. It's number 101, and I am sorry to say that even with my spectacles, I can't read what that says. Hold on, let me put a bit of light on. Oh, 101 Rose something. Rose Melody. Oh lads, that lighting is so much better. What? Where have I been? What was I thinking? I should have had it on all along. That knocks 10 years off me. So does the fucking filter I have on here. But sure, who cares? Who cares? Do you mind once the entertainment keeps coming? We have a sinus spray. And we have a set of keys. My car keys. With, look guys, a little pink handbag on. My bag chain. My bag charm. I love bag charms. But I love little pink things. Little pink. And it doesn't weigh down the keys. Right, that is my little WOC. I'm calling it a WOC. Emptied. Except when you look in the change pocket, and I do have some change in my pocket here, I'm going to put into it. 130. Get in there. Not a whole lot of money in, like, change. I don't carry money. Who does since COVID? Now, there's a little pocket at the front there, and I can tell you my phone will fit in there. These 3 little bits, along with my house keys, will fit in here. And that's it. That's all I need. They are my essentials for if I'm just going on the run. And I you know, once I've got money, a lipstick, I have my makeup is on, and in case anybody's wondering, I'm wearing that foundation. Was it L'Oreal foundation? The one with that 1% hyaluronic acid. That's what's on my face. My bronzer is by Pearl Beauty Cosmetics. My blush, Pearl Beauty Cosmetics, and my highlighter is Pearl Beauty Cosmetics. Now the highlighter is in Sunkissed, the bronzer is in Light, and the blush is Put Together. It's my favourite blush of hers. I have two, Girl Next Door, which I'm not loving. But put together it blends in slightly better to my skin. My makeup looks natural. I have that lip gloss I just showed you on. On my eyes, I'm wearing, it's a MAC eyeshadow. And I can't think of the name of it, lads. I'll put it down below. I'm wearing a L'Oreal eyeliner. I don't know what happened there. It just cut me off. That's the iPhone for you. Anyway, I was saying I've got a MAC mascara on. On my eyebrows, I have the same MAC eyeshadow that is going to be listed below because I can't remember the name of it. No, I just can't remember the name of it. So there's no point in me even, I'd have to run out, get it and come back. Searching the bottom of my makeup bag for it. But yeah, my hair is just brushed. But lads, look at this. Comment down below if any of you have had weight loss surgery of any description, and if you noticed hair loss. Now, I'm 4 months out on Saturday. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm 14. I had it on the 2nd of April, so it's not my 14 weeks out on Saturday, I think. Either it was last Saturday or it's next Saturday. Don't know. But I'm not 4 months out yet until the 2nd of August. But I have noticed that my ponytail has gotten progressively skinnier. Now, so's the rest of me, but that's a whole different story. So I'm just wondering if any of you lads watching would have any suggestions on good products. I'm on multivitamins to beat the band. I have to say I am grateful for the fact that it's not coming off the front. The front of my hair appears to not be shedding, but I have noticed when I'm putting up my ponytail, I am losing a bit of hair from the back. I can live with that. I can just do this. Ding, ding. End of story. Who cares? And if it gets really bad, I'll get a pixie, guys. Oh, yeah. In the comments below, lads, what do you think? Would a pixie look good on me? Short pixie. What do you think? If you remember House of Cards. Remember her? What do you think? A short pixie. I personally think it would make me look a bit butch. But I'm open to opinions, guys. Let me know what you think. Okay, that is this week's video, guys. Just wanted to introduce you to my little walk. Honest to God, the quality of this is, I'm telling you, the charity shop, I'm well up down there. I knew this was real leather when I was going up to pay. Anyway, I get lots of little bits and bobs in there. That's a great spot to have a look around at. God knows what you find in there, little trinkets. Bargains. Okay, my friends, that's it for this week's video. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please, regardless, if you watch this video, please will you give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will put a few more of my videos forward and I might have the opportunity of meeting some new people, adding a few new friends to my little YouTube family here. It is rather small and I would like to expand it if at all possible, and I'd really appreciate your help. Plus, my friends out there, it's free. It costs you jack bloody shit. Not a brass razoo. So come on to join me, family. It's free, guys. Anyway, I love yous all. Mwah!